बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है।
The Ant and the Grasshopper's Modern Dilemma short story in English. Once, in a modern city, the ant worked hard all summer, saving food, money, and resources. The grasshopper, however, spent his time scrolling on his phone, partying, and ignoring the future. When winter came, the grasshopper had nothing: no money, no food, no shelter. He asked the ant for help, and the ant said, "Life rewards those who prepare, not those who waste their time." Moral: hard work and planning for the future always bring security and success.